When using organizational lines, identify the longest vertical lines and the widest horizontal lines as well as diagonals, and start laying in loose gestural lines that approximate roughly in space where you want these to lay out, knowing that you're going to go in and do a lot of erasing and reestablishing. So try to be loose when you start and give yourself room to make corrections as you move along. I'm already blocking in with the spray bottle the basic form, which is a cylinder, which is the main structure of this. So I'm establishing how those forms build that bottle with the main thrust of it around the plumb line or axis line that I've put in the middle of it. You can see me doing measuring. I'm kind of going back and forth, and there I've found the sort of sweeping angle that comes up from the midpoint of the bottle to get up to where the spray nozzle is. When I go back to work on the box and the lock, those are essentially a rectangle and a box. So I have a slightly different set of sighting techniques I use, which focuses more on the angle that box is receding away from us when I'm drawing it. And I also will go back and forth between the objects to sort of keep the energy flow going as I'm working. So the important thing is also to not just to check proportions with the sighting technique, but also check angles. The angle, for example, that I'm checking there, that the nozzle is, and also importantly, the angle that the handle is, the pump for the spray bottle. I'm using an HB pencil for all of this and just altering the pressure that I put on the page with my hand to get darker or lighter lines. You'll notice ellipses are the most challenging, and the best way to do, you'll notice, is by putting that central axis point in. You really will have something to anchor that ellipse to that will keep the structure solid.